last day at sea.
Yep. Not by all the water.
Yes, there is water out there. That is true. Water. Plenty of water. Surrounded by water.
Too much water.
Too much water for you. Kirsten has new cruising rules.
Right. So their cruise map is if the number of times you stop, the number of days you stop the boat, it's less than 50% of the days you're on the boat, no bueno. So this is a 7-day cruise. We stopped 3 times. Too much water time. Oh my God, there was flying fishes out there! I swear to God. They went skip, skip, skip.
Hallucinating?
No, there were little fishes. I saw them go like little stones. There was only like 4 or 5 of them. It wasn't like a billion. Some break-off special school fish. Private school.
Private school fish?
Private school fish. They weren't public school. Public school, you see 45. Now I'm going to just stare at the water because I want to see more.
Yeah, no icebergs.
No icebergs. That we saw.
No U-boats that
we saw.
no torpedoes launched at us.
That were successful in finding their quarry. Correct.
Seas are pretty calm. Never needed
Today, seas are calm. How much time do we have?
We got plenty of time here. We got 2 hours and 16 minutes worth of video.
Oh no, I meant how much time until I can eat.
Oh, it's 7:20. It's 7:20. You can eat in approximately 40 minutes.
I can order my food in 40 minutes if.
And you're going for 2 appetizers tonight.
Yeah, I'm hungry. Thank you.
Thank you. Take that.
Thank you, yeah.
And a pen.
Thank for scribbling.
Pen for scribbling. Thank you very much. Give him that back with his pen.
Look at that.
Get my card. Oh, jeez. Put my wallet over here again.
Again in the holy pocket.
The holy pocket, yes.
You should keep the Pope
holy
in there.
Pocket, the Pope. I should keep the Pope in my holy pocket. Well, Kirsten, to not having a U-boat attack us,
There was no U-boats.
or hitting an iceberg.
No icebergs
Or
that
throwing-
we were aware of. They could have been invisible
That is
or
true.
very small.
That is true, and to not pushing either of us overboard.
Right, there's a lot of safety stuff in place there, so you don't do that.
Cheers to another trip. Here in the
Just like being in Ickenham.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Here in the dog and cow pub.
It's not. It's the Hoof and Claw. And
The duck and dog.
this is my favorite piece of artwork on the ship. I call it Dog with Sausages. I took a picture of it the other night because it makes me happy. If I could buy this at the art show downstairs, totally buy this.
Why don't we ask them
did
if they'll sell it to us?
No, that's crazy. This is the institutional stuff. If I come back on the ship, that better be there.
Are you saying you'd consider coming back on the ship?
Only if it made more stops and less sailing.
I'd say overall, it's been a good trip. I mean, yeah, there was more sailing than you would have liked. I get it, but
Less boat, more
Overall.
land.
overall, we saw some good stuff. We've had some hysterical moments.
Well, we always have hysterical
I mean,
moments.
especially with Janet from Des Moines.
Yes, and there's been a Janet from Des Moines sighting. Did you video her by chance while we had to spend time with her?
It could have happened.
She's probably on some of the video from Monkey Sloth Iguana Day.
That's right. Okay, so if I can go back and find Janet from Des Moines for
We'll
example
insert her
purposes,
here.
insert Janet from Des Moines here.
Because we just had a sighting of her on the promenade, and we have not seen her since Wednesday. And that's a good thing. Janet's a bit much. She's not technically from Des Moines, but she is in Janet, to be clear.
Right. Somewhere in Oregon, I think.
Yeah, she's from Oregon. And she had kids who lived in Vegas. And that was more information than I ever needed to know about Janet.
We learned a lot about Janet. Even I got to a point where I wanted no more Janet.
She was the one that got very, very jealous when the sloth went to sleep on my shoulder because
And
the
not on
sloth
hers.
did not do that.
To her.
And she was not happy. She didn't get to hold the sloth for like a half an hour, which is apparently what she thought the encounter was going to be. Not like, are you ready for the sloth yet? And like a 3-minute gig each person with one sloth.
Yeah, there was no mating with the sloth. There was no getting intimate with the sloths. You had 3 minutes at best.
Right. And all animals like me when I hold on to them. So Janet got upset.
I think Janet was upset a little too when the monkeys kept coming to us and not to her.
The monkey landed on your head like 103 times.
I counted 101, but hey.
It was a lot. Every
You
time
do math better.
I looked, the monkey's tail was across your face while you're trying to video.
We can insert video of that here too, right here. After possibly video of Janet from Des Moines.
Janet from Des Moines.
That is now going to be a
Code for person who's aggravating me.
It's going to be like, if it's like when you go to things and we go, oh, it's so Alamo.
Right.
Now we got Janet from Des Moines.
Janet from Des Moines.
Hello, caller. Hello, it's Janet from Des Moines.
Oh, you're calling from the Alamo? How convenient.
Oh, it's a crazy night here at
The last night.
the Bucket Duck.
That's not what it's called. But we have to move on. We must proceed.
And tomorrow, we'll move on land.
Yay, land and cars.
And by the time you're watching this, it'll be weeks from now.
Whenever he gets around to editing all this video in between work and flying to his next destination.
I only have about a bazillion hours of the video cut, so
Only.
we've shot a lot. And then, I mean,
I
trivia
didn't do anything.
could we just put one clip of trivia on each thing? We could do one, we could do one trivia question
I
on
still
each.
can't believe you did, like, you filmed the entire trivia widget. That was crazy.
Well, I thought we were going to win, and, well, you came up short. And then you didn't want to go back anymore.
Well, the second night of trivia was so hard that I was discouraged by the sheer difficulty of the question.
Then there was someone refused to go play bingo
Bingo is for people named Janet.
from Des Moines.
Yeah. And someone else wasn't going to go to the casino every night. Yeah. Was at the casino every night.
Crazy how that worked out. And we had good nights, and then we shut bed.
Not we.
Not my money, but
Your money.
it's just
I'm not
money.
that
I
crazy.
can't die with it, so
Right.
I can't take it with me. But she wants it, and then we had to sit through our dinner friends last night insistence that we should be married. And they were insistent last night.
Oh, I'm aware.
Yeah, they were insistent. We're like, no, not so much on that one. No, not so much on that one. No, they're, oh no, you're wrong. And like, oh, we're wrong. It was good. We had some good tour guides. I mean, overall, I'd say maybe this is what I'm thinking. Out of 10, what number would you give it to? 10 being high.
What part of it am I grading? Like the whole experience?
The experience, yeah. Have you had any fun?
Yeah. But I also felt sick to my stomach, so I mean, there's a balance.
I mean, the ship's been nice.
It's
And Ippen?
a very nice ship. The
We have
man
an
who
Ippen?
cleans our room is named Ippen, and he's lovely. And our waiter guys at dinner, Amal and Ricardo, were very sweet also. We like them a lot. So Bucks over here is going to tip good.
And Ippen is now our new code word for air conditioning.
It is. He likes to crank the air conditioning in the room. So
Down
when I
to
get
negative
in,
Ippen.
when it's like you could keep ice cream on the countertop, I'm like, oh, he dipped in the room again.
Yeah.
Because he likes to crank up the. He has stopped doing it. The first couple days, though, he kept cranking the AC.
Like
on.
we're in sweatshirts. Like serious winter gear in the room chattering our teeth.
I did enjoy there wasn't as much attaching cameras to cars in this video, so it was time saving. So
True.
I feel like I saved a whole half a day in you not jumping in and out of a car to move a camera 6 inches from the hood to the side of the hood to the window to the bumper to the roof.
But we
'Cause
did attach.
that's super practical.
I know, but I did attach the camera to the ship.
You did
multiple
but it
times.
wasn't. But yeah, but you were just getting the same footage, so it's fine. And you also missed a really good sunset yesterday because you were passed out.
You should have woke me up.
It was red. It was the best one, like over Cozumel. There was a really nice sunset as we drove away.
We drove.
We drove.
We drove.
The man, the
Captain Man drove. The pilot.
pilot, the ship pilot. He has a hat. Oh,
Wow.
and shout out to Paul, the cruise director, who was super fun too.
Who has a book on Amazon called
I Can't Make This Ship Up, because he apparently has been doing this for a long time.
He's a very old man.
And you don't know he's that old. He's older than us.
He's looking retirement came and
He
went.
doesn't look like a cricketer.
Getting close. But Paul, now had we known that Paul had his book, we would have just ordered on Amazon early and gotten an autograph. But unfortunately,
Maybe we can get the dog to sign this, then I'll take it. No, don't.
Oh.
No, it's loose. Stop. No.
Oh.
If that falls on my head, I'm going to be very cross.